I have your lovebird, and it's kind of like a silver satin up here. You see how smooth and beautiful that is? And then kind of a gunmetal blue down here. You're so pretty, very pretty. And this is one of those birds that responds to a real gentle hand. Just barely skim it. And when you start off, go really slow, a snail's pace. That's the best advice I can give. Yeah. Beautiful bird, huh? Wow. Yeah, and very sweet. Turned out to be a good bird. He was such a good bird. Can you step up? And one way, when you first get him and you're repeating the training, I get him up close to my face. I mean, that's after he or she, after you gain the trust. And anyway, so up close to the face, and we're going to step up. Oh, good birdie. What an awesome bird. And a lot of times birds are okay when your hands are in the front. You know, if they see your hand coming, it sometimes scares them if they don't see it from the back, and all of a sudden somebody's touching them. And so anyway, that's just a little tip. Can you step up? You step up? Oh, that was precious. Very good. What a smart birdie. Okay, I'm gonna put it on pause for a moment. While we're waiting for Alan, I wanted to mention something which works with this bird very well. First of all, like it's in our instructions, get into a small powder room or someplace small where you're not chasing the bird around at first, because no matter what, he's still you're a new person, and they're gonna wonder what this is all about. So it's gonna be afraid in the beginning. So get in a small room, and when the bird goes to the ground, talk to it. At first you can use a cloth, and then you don't need one. It's just to keep him from flailing, flapping around, hurting himself or whatever. I keep talking like it's him, I don't know. So go, talk to the bird and go very, very gently down. And if you can say poor baby, but if you can't say, oh, poor baby, go, come on, baby. Oh, come on, baby, like that. And they respond, they know you're not up for hurting them. Oh, you have such a sweet face. You do, you're just a beautiful little birdie. You're a beautiful little birdie. Yeah, I heard Alan out there. So, here we go. Oh, there, okay, go. To turn him on his back, I don't know, I prefer him standing on the left. But anyway, you kind of cup, it's like you're protecting. You use this finger to give him a little stability when you're upside down. Lovebirds are a little more shy than parrotlets when it comes to this. It's all right. So, anyway, I usually keep my finger there. And needs that extra security of having the finger there. Right, just hold on. There you go. Good birdie. Good birdie. Yeah. You my baby. You my baby bird. And go down like that. And then kind of come up. It's all right. It's all right. Don't he's scared. He says, after that last one, I got a little scared. There you go. See, it's just he likes a little, like a feeling of a blankie over him. Yeah. Oh, precious. Precious birdie. Yes, you are.